Game keeps flagging the nefarious ViGEM Client Library DLL is missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for nefarious ViGEM Client Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the nefarious ViGEM Client Library, the primary client library for the Virtual Gamepad Emulation ViGEM framework, which allows software to emulate Xbox or PlayStation controllers at the driver level. It is commonly used by controller remapping tools. If missing, virtual controllers may fail to initialize and remain invisible to games. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The nefarious ViGEM Client Library DLL library is a specialized component of the ViGEM Project system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the nefarious ViGEM Client Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. A critical reminder: modifying nefarious ViGEM Client Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overwriting essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for nefarious ViGEM Client Library. If this fix repaired nefarious ViGEM Client Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.